All right, the aim for this lesson, students, is volume and surface area, and this comes in sections 5.4 and 5.5 of our syllabus. And so those are also the areas of our formula booklet that are going to be super handy for us. So if we go in and look at the formula booklet, we can see we've got section 5.0, which is part of our prior learning area, and we've got all kinds of areas and circumference of a circle. And then also if we go down a few pages into topic 5, we can see that in 5.5 we have a whole lot of other areas and volumes. And so that's what we're going to be talking about in this lesson, is what all these things mean and how to best use them. So if we look at our notes, we start with the area of the curved surface of a cylinder. So if I think about a cylinder, basically a cylinder is a circle which is in 2D that has then been stretched into 3D. So it looks something like this. So if we're talking about the curved area of the cylinder, we're talking about the stuff that, if we think about this being covered with wrapping paper, if we unwrapped it, we're thinking about this part is the curved area that goes around. So the total area of a cylinder, and we're talking about the total surface area, is made up of the curved surface, which I've shaded, plus 2 circles. So our formula booklet gives us the area for the curved surface as 2 pi RH. So our R value is going to be here. And then the height is this vertical height here. So the curved surface, we get 2 pi RH. And then if we wanted the total surface area, we would add 2 circles. And I know that the area of a circle, that's going to be in the prior learning page, is pi r squared. So since I have 2 of those, I would say 2 times pi r squared, and the r is going to be my same r as up here. So this is what I just talked about. I guess I should have read my own notes. All right, so total surface area is curved plus 2 circles. All right, so our sketch here, we've got our R and our H shown, and then our total surface area is the curved plus the 2 circles. All right, surface area of a sphere. Well, when we're thinking of a sphere, we've got, it's a bit harder to draw, but basically we think about a ball, essentially. And the surface area, 4 pi r squared, r is the radius. So r can be measured from the center out to any edge. So I've got a radius here, but there's also a radius here. Coming forward is a radius, out to this side, down, out to the back. Any of those could be radii. When we talk about hemispheres, a hemisphere is half a sphere. So the area of a hemisphere is going to be half of 4 pi r squared. So that would end up equaling 2 pi r squared. And if I have a hemisphere, then I've got just half a circle, or half of a ball is what it looks like, and still the same radius. And again, I can measure my radius out to here. I could measure it coming forward or down to the bottom or out to the back, any of those. All right, so I'm going to stop there and then come back with a new video for cones.